Hey guys, today we'll show you how to hack social empires on your Facebook. So the programs you will need, the program is Chat Engine and some codes, and I will put them on description. So open up your social empires and your Chat Engine. Where is it? Here. And now open up your Google Chrome and go to this little computer and change this under this file. Press open. Now select array of bytes. Copy the first code. Paste it, first can. And now copy all these numbers and select all this again. Copy the second code, right click, change record and paste it here. Now go to build, decorations, status. As you can see, if I put it, my CAS and my XP, it giving me more CAS and XP. And you owe to have 17 CAS or you will get banned. So after you go on 17 CAS, go buy something. You must I will buy this one. Buy. Oh, good. It's okay. And now you can do whatever you want. Enter. Take care. Get dragon. Oh. And now make sure you refresh the page. And after